In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn your Trello board into actionable insights with the dashboard view. Whether you're opening Trello for the first time or you're refining your workflow, this walkthrough will help you see your work clearly and make smarter decisions without leaving your board. Trello's built-in dashboard view takes the lists and cards you already have and converts them into easy-to-read reporting metrics. Think of it as a real-time snapshot of your team's workload, progress, and priorities. To get there, look to the top left of your Trello board. You'll see the current view toggle. This usually says Board. Click that toggle to open the View menu. From the drop-down, select Dashboard. The moment you do, Trello switches into an analytics workspace designed to help you spot trends and bottlenecks at a glance. Now let's shape this space to fit your needs. Click Add Tile to create your first chart. Tiles are the building blocks of the dashboard. Each one focuses on a single lens of your work. You can customize what every tile measures. For example, choose cards per member to quickly gauge workload balance and see who might be overloaded or who has capacity. Pick cards by label to understand how much work is grouped by priorities or categories, which is great for planning sprints. Or highlight upcoming and overdue due dates to keep deadlines front and center, a lifesaver for daily check-ins and stand-ups. As you add tiles, think about the questions you need answered in meetings. Who's doing what? What's urgent? What's stalled? Build tiles that answer those questions clearly. When you want to go deeper, use the filter icons to drill down. Filters let you narrow the dashboard to specific lists, like in progress or review, or to focus on particular team members. This helps you cut through noise and keep the conversation targeted. If you're preparing for a stand-up, filter to the people in the room and the lists that matter right now, so everyone sees exactly what's relevant. That's the core workflow. Open the dashboard, add tiles that reflect your goals, and filter to get precise, actionable views. With just those steps, your Trello board becomes not just a place to store tasks, but a tool that guides your next move. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments. Whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.